Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a Pom Pom Shooter. For supplies, you'll need a long, thin piece of wood like a paint stir stick, a clothespin, duct tape, a binder clip, a rubber band, and pom-poms. First, use 2 strips of duct tape to attach the lower half of the clothespin to one end of the paint stir stick. Make sure your clothespin can still open and close. Next, use the binder clip to attach the rubber band to the other end of the paint stick. Pull the rubber band and stretch it down to meet the clothespin. Pinch the clothespin open and put the other end of the rubber band in between the 2 halves of the clothespin. Release the clothespin to let it close. Next, load your pom-pom. While you can use other things besides pom-poms in your Pom Pom Shooter, make sure that they are soft or lightweight, like a crumpled piece of paper. Never point your Pom Pom Shooter at people or animals. Push the pom-pom firmly in between the 2 halves of the rubber band. Then point the end opposite the clothespin at your target. I recommend a piece of paper, and pinch the clothespin to release the rubber band. If you want to, you can decorate your Pom Pom Shooter. Try using markers or crayons to write your name on it. And remember, have fun and be safe with your Pom Pom Shooter. This is a design taken from Lance Akiyama's excellent book, Rubber Band Engineer. Be sure to borrow it from your local library to get other awesome ideas of fun ways to use rubber bands.
Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Live in your post.